Friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now, friends. Today is a very happy day for me because five my cryptocurrencies are jumping upward. So in this video I will show you my Hedera hashgraph cryptocurrencies as they jumping upward, as they falling down. And in this video I will show you the live price prediction, price change occur in the Hedera hashgraph. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please click the subscribe button right now and also press the bell icon for new latest news and updates notification. Now let's start the video. As you can see here, that is the friends the last 1 hour price prediction of Hedera hashgraph or loading. And friends, I have a surprise news for all of you. I'm going to tell you in the last of this video. So friends, now we talk about the Hedera hashgraph last 1 hour price prediction. Oh my goodness, it's really bad news for me, as you can see. But don't worry about this chance. As you can see, a negative 4.32% chance occur in Hedera in the last 1 hour. Oh my goodness, the last 1 hour chance is 4%. So I never saw this kind of change. And the high price is $0.353651. Oh my goodness, absolutely falls down. Very bad chance occur in Hedera. But don't worry, as you can here temporary. Don't worry about this fall. As you can see here, falls down and take a jump. The fall is temporary. Now as you can see here, the current price, it is the current price of Hedera in the last 1 hour. $0.338374 is the current price of Hedera in the last 1 hour. Now let's see the last 1 day price predictions. What the change goes and the last 1 day. Oh my goodness, as you can see here, the change occur in Hedera. I'm very sad to see this kind of change. Negative 2.69%. Oh my goodness, what's this? Very bad change occur in Hedera. Negative 2.69% as absolutely a bad change in Hedera coin. And the high price is the last 1 day as $0.36552 is the high price of Hedera. Friends, remember that is the last 1 day price predictions. If we look the chart analysis of the Hedera coin, so absolutely a complex structure. As you can see here, complex structures occur in Hedera coin. As you can see here, ready they falls down for a later time and take a jump for a later time. So that is why I'm not worrying about this change. As you can see here, they falls down and maybe they goes upward in the future. Maybe they goes upward after 10 minutes. As you can see here, due to this kind of change, I'm decided that is maybe they goes upward. So friends, if you are a holder of Hedera coins, so what should you do in this video and this time? My suggestion for you, if you are a holder, to please hold your Hedera coin and please be patient for the big explosion, the big jump of Hedera coin. Please wait for the big explosion of Hedera coin. And also share your opinion about Hedera coin in the comment box. And remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. And the surprise is that I'm announcing the 100 coin of Hedera coin giveaway. So please ready for it, the 100 coin giveaway of Hedera coin. So please ready for it and remember to subscribe and press the bell icon for giveaway notification. Thank you so much for watching this video.